guys, how are you? Like, long time no video. I don't know what it is with COVID. I had all this extra time and I just didn't film anything. I decided to come outside today because it's so beautiful out, and I finally have my deck all set up. I think I'll have my outside chores and gardens done by the time the summer is over with, but I hope not. But I do have an open house this summer. My daughter's graduating, so, but anyway, enough chatter. I'm in an ear swap. Finally forced me to have some content, so I'm gonna open this for you. This is an ear swap that I've done before, and I'll link those videos below as well. As long as, you know, I'll link all the other channels too that are involved in this swap. But my friends over at TheSisketEars, Mary and Tony, which is funny because like every time, I'm used to it now, but every time we're talking in the chats, because my name is Tony too, Mary will be like, well, Tony's gonna organize this, and I'm like, wait, what? And then I'm always like, wait, no, that's the other Tony from TheSisketEars. I'm not organizing anything. This came all the way from California, so I have a few ideas who this could be from. June, Year of the Ear, sidekicks. And I think I'm seeing a couple of clues here because we've got Olaf on the box and also Pumbaa and Timon. So, oh, I think she sent me two. This is cute. Oh yes, the past can hurt, but you can either run from it or learn from it. How cute. Oh, it's from Erika. This is the second thing Erika sent me. This is exciting. Happy Year of the Year. This is, oh my gosh, I'm out of practice. I am so out of practice. Happy Year of the Year Sidekicks Edition. I had so much fun stalking your YouTube channel for some inspiration on what ears to make for you. These are only the 4th pair of ears I've ever made. Oh, I feel special. I hope she signed them because they'll be worth money someday. So I apologize if they are subpar. I made a double-sided pair along with something else to adorn your head, but still keeping that Disney touch. I hope you love them as much as I loved making them. Erika from Erika DeOcampo, and I'll definitely link her channel. And I think I said that I'll link all the other channels. If not, I'm saying it again. Oh, I love Olaf. This is so stinking cute. Okay, so it looks like she covered a headband with this Olaf fabric, and then she put some really fun ribbon on the inside to keep it from slipping. I love that. And then also tied a little bow here. It feels like I could untie it, so I don't think she glued it, but she doesn't need to because it's really secure. Oh, I love this. I left my hair, you know, just down and regular, no ears or anything, so that way I would be ready for the video. Let's get a close up. Come on guys, how cute does this look in my hair, right? I love it. I don't want to get too close because you don't want to see like my wrinkles and bags under my eyes. Okay, part 2. This one has Pumbaa stickers on it. And Timon. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this is only your 2nd pair of ears. What? I cannot believe this is only your 2nd pair. These are like, wait, did she say in the, okay, I made them double-sided. I didn't quite understand what she meant by that in the card, but look, here's the first side. And I love this orange bow. And here's the second side. It says Hakuna Matata. And then the other side, what does it say? It's our problem-free philosophy. How did you do this? I love this. Maybe you made this on a Cricut or something. You'll have to write in the comments how you made this. And this decorative ribbon around the edge just really adds to it. And she's got that same ribbon on the inside, so no slip. Look at this. Just fantastic. I'm totally impressed. I wish I had better words to describe how these feel. They're plush and they feel sturdy, but on my head, they don't feel heavy. They don't feel like they're going to slip. And I love that they're double-sided because a lot of times, you know, the ears in the back, you can kind of see the back of the bow, or there's just not any detail on the back, but these are just wonderful. Oh no, Buddy, what did you do? You took Erika's card? That was Mommy's. You took it? Give it to me. Come on. I wanted to show you guys something else really quick. I don't know if you guys have a Five Below in your area, and I actually don't know if it's a US thing or if my friends in Canada or the UK have a Five Below, but they have a lot of Disney merch, and I actually found this, they called it a donut plush headband, but we all know these are Minnie ears. These are Mickey ears, right? And I saw these, look, you guys, $2. So I was inspired by these, and I actually used these as a base for the ears that I crafted for my person, Kryssy Disney. And so I'm gonna link her channel below, and hop over there after this video and you can see how I turned these donut ears into a creation for her that were inspired by Donald Duck and the ultimate sidekick. And so yeah, go check out her channel. Thank you guys for watching this one. Be sure to check out all the other videos so you can see all the crafted ears that we did for each other. Yeah, so it feels good to be filming again. Maybe this will inspire me to do some more videos. We'll see you guys really soon. Bye, Disney fans.